Holy Quran. It's in Surah Al-Hajj, in last report.
What is the verse?
I don't remember exactly.
How can I say which verse in the last chapter?
No, I will mention it. That, yes. Just that I make prophets amongst angels and amongst the human beings. So I couldn't understand.
Allah يستحيي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس. والله يستحيي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس. So, what is to be understood? Rusulam here simply means messengers, bearers of messages. So for that purpose, both angels and prophets have the same mission to perform. That is, they carry a message from Allah and deliver it to somebody else. Both angels and the prophets have this in common with each other. So their Rusulan is not a technical term used as understood by the Muslims in the context of the prophethood known to us. But it is just a general sense of the Risala which is carried in this story. Got it?